Okay, I'm trying to trade for like 26%. I've already gotten my signal. I was supposed to enter before I started this video, but while I was trying to catch the video, I've already missed my entry. Now, in trading, there is signal, which tells you about the direction, and also there is entry period, meaning a time you are supposed to enter that will be the most appropriate, allowing you not to overstay long in the market. Because I'm talking, I've missed another one. Uh, that's why I don't like talking. It's not that easy. When you're talking, you're trying to, explain the whole thing. That's what a lot of people don't understand. And that's why I have a different training program whereby I get to teach you how you can get to also do the same. I'm not supposed to be talking, doing all the. I've missed so many entries. Now that I'm talking with you, I would have done like 2 or 3 trades. But talking, it consumes a lot of attention and thereby allows you to miss even the main thing, whereby you are now entering late. And I don't like doing any of that. So I just made an entry now. Okay, you can see how long it takes this trade to pull through, despite the fact that I've had many entries that I've missed. Now, I need to let you know I'm trading with Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Now, let me let you know the value of what I just made, right? This is profit of 0. Look at it here. 0.11. I'm going to copy that. 1177. So let's go look for calculator. Okay, calculator. So let me post it here. First, let me show you what I'm trading with. This is what I'm trading with, right? This is like 15,000 naira. Okay, I just placed a trade of 15,000 naira to make how much? 25% of 15,000. That should be around, let's say, 3 or 4,000 there. Yeah, 3 or 4,000 there. So let's say for me to know how much I just made right now, I'm going to put the value 0.011 watts. Okay, we have it here 11. Okay, I'm just gonna put 5677 so that you get to know the total value. So we have 5677. So 5677 is about 19,000. So this is 19,000 now, right? Remember, if I minus the value of what I traded with, which is 45, I've just made 3,900, approximately 4,000. How many minutes does it take? So imagine if you are making for 4,000 every day. 4,000 times 10, that's 40, times 30, that should be like 120k. So you'll be making like 120k every month. It's easy, it's possible, it's doable, but most people are not patient enough. They want to hammer and make all the money. You saw even while I was talking with you, I missed signals, I missed entry. But despite that, I did not rush. I took my time. If it were before, I would have rushed to do it. I'm seeing another signal here, so I want to see if I can trade it so that you can see me make like 50%. I'm actually watching from my system so that it can be okay. I just placed another one. Okay, you can see I had to wait for it. There is signal. Knowing the direction, I know it's going down. Okay, it's going down. So it's going down, right? Okay, yes, it's going down. If it's going down, when am I supposed to enter? That is the entry time. These are the things you'll learn from my training. How to identify the direction of the market, how to also get to know when to enter. One final one. I've actually missed it because I'm talking a lot. Usually when I'm trading and I'm not talking, I usually spend probably 10 minutes or so and I will be done. But when I'm doing all this talking, there are much distractions involved. So, okay, I hope I entered on time. Because there should be a reversal very soon. But, okay, you can see reversal coming up. Okay, this one may take time a bit. It may take time a bit, so I may have to pause. Okay, so the trade has pulled through. So that's 3 trades. If you're hearing that sound, that's from my laptop. That's for the automated. And guess what? I don't give automated to students if you don't master the basic. For you to be able to do what I'm doing right now, you need to have mastered the basic. You need to have mastered this whole thing. You don't need to rush into it. I've been doing this for quite a long time, so don't think so far. Okay, I said I made this 0.1177. I made 3. Now let's calculate and find out how much in total I just made in Naira, right? So we have 0.1177. Okay, right, times 3. I did 3 successful trades, right? So with 3 successful trades, what I've just been able to make is almost roughly 12,000 Naira. Yeah, roughly 12,000 Naira. How many minutes? Under 6 minutes. This is still 6-minute recording. I've only paused for like maybe 20 seconds or so. So you need to understand, if you want to learn this, take advantage, learn the skill. Don't be in a hurry. Some people will say, I'm just recording, showing you the same thing all over and all over again. No, I'm not just recording, showing you these things all over and all over again. No, I'm letting you know that there is a possibility of you being able to make money. And you being able to make it learning properly. That's my last trade, so that I can make 100%. Now I have made 100% in this same video. I decided to put a new tweak to it so that you get to see what how exactly I'm doing it. So let's say what I've done so far. I've been able to do I was making 1177. Okay, let's now go back and finalize how much 100% is. So 78 times 4. I just did 4. So in short sense, I've just been able to make 16,000 Naira. Imagine if you're making 16,000 Naira every day. That's close to $50. Imagine if you're making that every day. If I don't stop this, I'll continue to trade, and I don't want to do that. I just want you to understand, slow but steady, that if you're wondering what app is this that I'm using, it's called Bitcoin.io. Bitcoin.io. Maybe I should. It has both web. It has both web and. Bitcoin.io. That's it there. It has both web and app, whereby you can calculate Bitcoin. So for those who will be trading with Bitcoin, I will recommend you use it. Highly use it. Why? It is needful. It is needful to make your trading experience awesome. Okay, this is it, me showing you how I made 100% trading with Bitcoin. And I also let you know that I'm not just trading. Don't just be using the barrier offset and just thinking you're going to just be making money. No, that's not it. You need to learn how to identify the direction of the market, learn to know when to enter the market so that you'll be able to make good profit. Everybody and anybody can do this. God bless you. See you in another video.